Hello everyone. Today, we'll discuss how to record production of breads in 8sky's accounting software. Let us continue with 88 Bakery Limited bread production. Make sure you have watched previous 2 lessons before coming to this one. In this lesson we'll be recording production of 200 loaves of 450-gram breads. Step 1. Log into the software. Start by logging into your 8sky's accounting software using your credentials. Step 2. Register inventory items. Ensure that all inventory items, including raw materials, flour, baking powder, cooking oil, packaging materials, etc., and the finished product, 450g bread, are registered in the system. Step 3. Record purchases of inputs. Divide by raw materials. Record the purchase of necessary raw materials to ensure you have sufficient inventory for production. Step 4. Initiate the production process. A. Access the production module on the left-hand side of the software interface, find and click the Production Order button. B. Enter production details. Production date, set the production date. Reference, enable sequential numbering if desired. Finished item, select 450g bread. Quantity, enter 200 to indicate the total number of bread pieces produced in this batch. Step 5. Enter the Bill of Materials, BOM. In the Bill of Materials, BOM, section, list the inputs used in the production process. A. Add flour, select flour as a key ingredient. Quantity, enter 81 to reflect the usage of 81 kilograms of flour for producing 200 pieces of 450g bread. B. Add baking powder, specifying the quantity required. Quantity, enter 1.5 to reflect the usage of 1.5 packs of baking powder for producing 200 pieces of 450g bread. C. Add cooking oil, specifying the quantity needed. Quantity, enter 3.5 to reflect the usage of 3.5 liters of cooking oil for producing 200 pieces of 450g bread. D. Add packaging materials, e.g., bags, labels, and their quantities. Quantity, enter 204 both bags and stickers to reflect the usage of 200 bags and 200 stickers for producing 200 pieces of 450g bread. Step 6. Review and finalize the production order. Review the entered details for accuracy. Ensure all inputs are listed correctly with their respective quantities. Step 7. Save the production order. Click the Create or Save button to finalize the production order. This will update inventory levels and record the production. Conclusion, cost calculation and analysis. After saving the production order, calculate the costs associated with the production. Material costs. O flour, 81 kilograms times 3,000 shillings divide by kg equals 243,000 shillings. O baking powder, 1.5 packs times 500 shillings equals 750 shillings. O cooking oil, 3.5 liters times 4,000 shillings equals 14,000 shillings. O packaging materials, 200 bags times 20 shillings equals 4,000 shillings. O 200 labels times 10 shillings divide by label equals 2,000 shillings. O total material cost, 263,750 shillings. Cost per unit. O divide the total cost by the number of loaves produced to calculate the cost per unit. For example, 263,750 shillings divided by 200 loaves of bread equals 1,318.75 shillings per loaf. Oh, you can now see this cost per loaf has been automatically calculated. To see this, locate Inventory Items tab on the left side of the software, click on it. Now you can see you have 200 loaves of bread produced at an average cost of 1,318.75 shillings per loaf, which makes the total cost of all 200 loaves to be 263,750 shillings. By following these steps and considering the additional factors, you can effectively record the production of 450g bread in 8sky's accounting software and analyze the associated costs and profitability.